Soarfly is a leaf blower. We're going to show you how to assemble and what this leaf blower is about. As we unbox the product to show you how nicely they are packaged inside, protected by bubble wrap, plastic. As we go over the unit, it is a 21-volt system. It takes a number of minutes to charge. Simply place the battery into the charger, lock down, you have a red and green light, unravel, and charge your battery for the first time. The battery will show green for a check and go into red, and when finished charge, to green. On the battery, you have an indicator of battery level. 3 to 4 levels the battery is. They do need to be charged. You have a wide chute and a narrow chute that needs to be installed to make one long leaf blower. Simply grab the optional chute, place on. It has a snap and guide. A close-up look showing you how it goes in and slides into place and locks into place with the release tab. The cordless leaf blower LB02 by Soarfly. It is a 1900 RPM blower. It has a stepless control switch that raises the trigger or brings the trigger down from low to high speed, or simply pull the trigger. Left hand or right hand. Only on the left side is the variable speed. An ergonomic grip, the battery area, the protection area of the fan and motor that blows in, blows out, that you take the chute and you simply line up and you snap on. But before doing so, you can see that the motor inside and the fan, everything is well protected. You simply now take the chute, line up, and carefully snap into place. And when removing, just pull the switch and snap off. What we're going to go do now is go demonstrate and how the leaf blower works. Goggles, air protection, and safety are not included. Variable speed or pulling the trigger. This allows to put on to one speed and leave as is, or just pull the trigger for short bursts. Let's go outside and show you what the unit can do. Gardening, front of the house, back of the house, by the boatyard, by the RV, by the campsite, wherever you need to clean off at the property. We're going to get ready, set up, and put our earmuffs on. Pulling the trigger, a slow burst. Or pulling the trigger, long hold. So if you're looking for a leaf blower that does the job, 4 amp battery, 2021 volt, ergonomic grip. To know how much battery you got, white, green, black, with the variable stepless control switch and a pull switch with removable chutes to make it short or long. This is a leaf blower for your gardening needs. Enjoy your leaf blower if this is right for you.